Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basuraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of business communication. In previous classes, we have discussed the various aspects related to enquiry letter, quotation, purchase order, execution of the order, claim letter, acceptance of claim letter, rejection of claim letter, announcements, then announcement of good news, announcement of bad news, good newsletters, bad newsletters, etc. And after that, today we shall begin with our fourth module of business communication. Fourth module of business communication deals with business report writing. In today's scenario, report writing plays a very important role in business aspects. Right from beginning of the business till the smooth functioning of the business, everywhere the report writing plays an very important role. Because in reports, we analyze, we find the problems, we find the solutions, we take decisions, we try to solve those problems and come up with a new research or a new idea for smooth functioning of the business. Therefore, the reports play a very important role in the business. Let us see what does this report mean and some of the definitions of report and importance or objectives of a report. A report is the summary of study. In simple words, we can say a report is the summary of a study. Any sort of study which we make and we give a summary of that study is known as report. Such report will be in-depth analysis of a problem or situation. Many times it would be a analysis or a report related to a problem or the situation or the solution for that problem. So therefore, the report helps to take decisions. In business, every now and then we make decisions, but here these decisions can be smoother, easier, and successful when we have reports for or we take help of the reports for solving those problems. Report may be prepared with respect to performance of a product, performance of an employee, and about an organization or circumstances. Here the report can be written for anything. It may be related to performance of a particular product, performance of an overall industry, performance of an employee, and about any situation in the organization. These things we can call it as a report. A report carries information from someone who has it to someone who need it. Means a report, it takes information for someone who requires it or who is in search of that report. A report is a basic management tool used in decision making. It is a very successful tool which help us in making decisions to solve the business problems. Therefore, a report is a basic management tool used in decision making. So a 2 marks question may come, what do you mean by report? At that point of time you all can write as a report is a summary of a particular study in regards to analysis of a problem or situation and coming up with a solution and taking a decision for solving those problems can be known as, say, a report. Now let us see some of the definitions related to business reports. Here, according to Perkrust, defines a report is a written presentation of acts and data necessary for understandable of a given condition, situation or a problem. Here in the first definition, a report is a written or it is a presentation of acts and data which are necessary for understanding or understandable of a given condition or situation or a problem. The second definition given by, according to C.A. Brown, he defines a report as a report is a communication for someone who has some information to someone who wants to use that information. According to this definition, a report is used or it is a communication for someone who has some information and someone who wants or want to use that information for solving his or her business problems or solving the business solutions. So these are the two definitions about a report. A 2 marks question may come saying define business report. At that point of time, any of these two definitions you all can write. Let us move ahead and see the importance or objectives of a report. Here, some people may ask questions why report is essential or why we should prepare a report. For those questions, here we shall see some 4 important points which will make clear that a report is very important or report is very much essential for the business. Number 1, report helps in improving the quality of the product or service. Whenever we make an analyze or study about a particular product, at that point of time, if we write a report about the study, we can say, calculate or understand what quality our product is having, what quality competitors' products are having, and to lead the market with our quality, what changes we need to make. So for this, we need to analyze, study and prepare a report based on that study. Then we can say improve the quality of the product or service. Then next, second point is report analyzes the problems or situations. Here, reports will analyze, or in that report a proper analysis of the problem or a situation will be made, understood, studied, and based upon that the available information or available conclusions with this of the study will be written in reports, because of which these reports will help to solve the problems or situations. The next, a report facilitates in exploration of new ideas. As you all know that here, if you want to survive in the market, you need to be, say, bring up new ideas, new concepts and new products or new designs which can attract the customer. So a report facilitates in exploration of a new ideas, because many times the report will have the written authenticated document about new ideas, new concepts, new innovations and new research, because of which it helps in, say, solving the situations. And lastly, A report acts as a decision making tool. Whenever you want to take any sort of decision, those decisions can be taken with the help of the, say, report, because these reports will give us a base or a platform to take decisions, and these decisions can be taken with the help of reports. So with this we shall stop here in today's class. In tomorrow's class we shall see the types of reports and the meaning of these classifications. We shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.